Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In previous tutorial, we saw how to add stars and polygons to our image. In this video, we will see how to add rectangle and square and also use the effects Photoshop provides to us. So this is the image we finished with yesterday. Let's continue on the same image. So to add shape, go to the shapes icon below the cursor icon. Let's draw a rectangle now. Let's draw one more rectangle just for demonstration to show you that we can draw vertical as well as a horizontal rectangle. Now to draw a square. While drawing the rectangle, if you hold down the shift key, a square is created. Now to change the color, go to the properties tab and tap on the color bar to choose a different color for the selected rectangle. So let's choose a lighter shade of blue from the hue slider over here. Let's do the same thing for other rectangles as well. Moving on to this tool called stroke. Using this, we can basically add borders to our shape. So after selecting it, we can select the type of the border, whether we want a solid color border or we want a gradient or a pattern. Let's select a solid color border and choose black color. Now you can change the border thickness from here. Let's make it 15. If you want a dot or a dash pattern of line, select any one from the drop down over here. But let's keep the solid line for our project. You can also change the placement of border from here. The default of the border is that it's inside the shape, but you can also place it on the shape and outside of the shape. It depends on you, but I personally prefer it on the outside of the shape. We can also change how our border looks on the corner from here. We can keep it sharp, we can keep it rounded or polygonal depending on the requirement. We can also make the corners of our shape rounded. Using these four corner rounding tools, you can just click and drag your mouse over them and make the rectangle with rounded corners. Now, as the link is enabled, all the four corners change simultaneously. If we disable the link, we can change the particular side of a rectangle as well, just like this. Well, that was just for the demonstration. Now we will erase it by pressing Ctrl plus Z and undoing it. Now to get the final rectangle shape in our poster, let's draw the rectangle and now change its color and add the border of size 5 to it. Now let's make rounded borders as well as rounded corners of the rectangle. Once done, place it in the corner so that once finished, we can edit it in the next tutorial and make a poster out of it. That's it for today guys. Tomorrow we will make a poster using this image. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe 52 Pixels and click on the bell icon. Also like and comment on the video. Thank you.